Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Creative Fashion Hub. Guys, this is channel depend on fashion designing related to all design. So guys, I am going to show you beautiful several Barbie doll dresses designs. You can stitch for your own Barbie. This is Georgette fabric here, and this one is velvet, and this also Georgette. So guys, it is very easy for design, and it's very easy designs here. And guys, don't forget hit the like button, and don't forget hit the subscribe button for further details about designing. So guys, if you want to watch more videos about designing, so you can go to the playlist of the channel. It's also net fabric dress and Georgette. This one is also net fabric. So guys, thanks for watching.